Lozère is our botanical identity. Lozère is located in the south of France, where Croda-Rome draws its stress and affirms its vision in perfect harmony with nature. This nature is valued through authentic extract, manufactured by our innovative technologies that respect both humankind and the environment. Since its creation, Croda-Rome has supported the development of producers of aromatic and medicinal plants in Lozère. For almost 20 years, our organic rose, Rosa gallica, has been cultivated a few kilometers from the site by a committed and passionate partner.
Nous, on le cultive en agriculture biologique, donc on n'utilise bien sûr aucun pesticide et ça ne nécessite aucun traitement. Il y a des tas d'insectes qui se régulent entre eux et on n'a pas de pucerons, on n'a pas de ravageurs.
With technical support from the region and local institutions, Croda-Rome follows new experimental trials on its territory to cultivate species with voluntary local producers.
J'ai fait un BPREA plantes aromatiques et médicinales. J'ai voulu me lancer dans l'aventure avec Croda-Rome parce que je suis passionnée de plantes depuis longtemps. Et nous avons pu établir une relation sérieuse et de confiance.
5 perennial species have been rigorously selected according to their ability to adapt to this terroir. While the Arnica flower comes mainly from wild picking, we support its local producers to involve them in the cultivation of this wild plant. Through sincere collaborations with our producers, we aspire to a long-term relationship of trust. With the drafting of a commercial contract over several years, we are committing to buying their crops at a fair price. These partnerships are based on a code of conduct for responsible relationship and purchasing, signed by our stakeholders, and on regular exchanges, field visits or audits. Responsible sourcing of genetic resources is a key issue for Croda-Rome. The supply chain of green caviar developed in the Philippines or our banana flower from Mayotte are concrete examples of win-win collaboration for which we have financed the purchase of several equipments. The beech bark supply chain is also from Lozère. Coming from a private forest, its sustainable management is entrusted to a specialized cooperative.
Cette écorce, après l'exploitation des bois, va être récoltée à même les grumes et puis elle va faire l'objet d'un traitement assez simple en soi, c'est-à-dire une période de séchage et puis ensuite elle va être passée au crible, c'est-à-dire qu'elle va être réduite en petites particules et ensuite elle sera adressée, donc distribuée auprès de Croda-Rome.
According to specific sustainable guidelines, a professional team determines the harvested trees. This harvest takes place in the heart of the Cévennes National Park, recognized as World Heritage of Humanity by UNESCO. The park, whose respect for biodiversity is constantly controlled and regulated. These local collaborations allow us to easily meet our producers, to better understand their profession and to enhance their know-how. This type of supply acts in favor of local development and preserves the environment by reducing CO2 emissions linked to the raw materials transport. Through its different collaborations in France or elsewhere, Croda-Rome wishes to offer its customers guarantees of transparency, of traceability across the entire supply chain and to provide innovative eco-designed products steeped in history and respectful of life. Today, we focus our innovation on providing sustainable ingredients through our purpose, Smart Science to Improve Lives.